What's going on, dudes? I'm going to give you guys some context real quick and then I'll shut up. Winter's finally over, so I took the Firebird down to NJMP Lightning for a track night. I wasn't expecting to run anything good since I made a couple setup changes to the car over the winter, and I also haven't been on track since last year. Also, these events are way shorter than your typical track day, and the traffic can be pretty congested. What you're seeing is footage from session 2 of the advanced group. Traffic cleared up at the end of the session, which gave me a shot at a new PB. The time I'm trying to beat here is a 1:14.6, so you're going to hear me get pretty upset when I get held up by a C8 Z06 at the very end of the lap. My delta was looking really good up until the final corner. Since this is probably the most important corner on the track, a bad exit here really kills your lap time.
There goes my PB. Does a Firebird count as a momentum car?
I actually didn't realize this was a Z06 until after the session was over. You can definitely tell it's not a regular C8 between the engine sound and the fact that he keeps taking me to Gapplebee's on the straights. I do reel him in really well in the corners though.
Because I don't want to end up in his back bumper. I have no ABS and I can't afford a C8 Corvette.
And there goes the checkered flag. No PBs this session, but I did end up running a 1:13.7 in the next session, so it didn't really matter in the end. I went and chatted with the owner of the vet in the paddock, and it seems like he's relatively new to the platform and definitely isn't used to it yet. Realistically, this car should be kicking my ass, even though it's on the stock PS4S tires. So that's all I've got for you guys today. Hope you enjoyed it. Do your boy a favor and like the vid, subscribe, comment, tell your mom, your dad, your friends. This is a rich man's hobby, and every little bit helps me out.